when your skin accepts something. So that is where the healing's first step begins.
Impact of fashion on environment?
Fashion and mental health, it is definitely connected.
Myself, Shravani Usha Tejaswini Datta. Welcome you all to my podcast channel, I with me and you. Today we discuss on fashion healing and fashion therapy. I with me and you. Welcome Sudipta Debashmita De in this podcast channel. Here we are to discuss on fashion healing and fashion therapy. With Sudipta having 18 years of experience as a wardrobe stylist, catering to hundreds of clients and giving them their ultimate best in self-expression, love, emotion, and healing as well.
Thank you so much, Shravani. I'm really happy to be with you in this show. And really, it feels great to be here with you.
Well, Shudipta, coming across this particular term of healing in the world of fashion, as I was having a discussion with you, it was very intriguing for me because I am very much interested in knowing how fashion as a whole can relate the entire concept with healing. Means it's not coming to me as a subject on a very simple ground.
Fashion and healing is something which is so correlating, but we always don't try to correlate because this idea and the concept always doesn't come to anyone's mind, that how can fashion and healing go at par with each other.
Absolutely.
It is so interesting. I'll just explain it to you, then you will try and analyze the fact that fashion, going along with the mental and the physical health of a human being, is so important, and it is something so integral if you try and understand the subject, because what we are wearing is what others are saying. So it's the external being of an individual, that we are
Right.
wearing an outfit, and whatever we are wearing, we can be wearing anything, a sari, a kurta, anything, but relating that to your healing process. Now, healing, whenever we talk, we always say that maybe you are unwell, maybe you are sick, maybe you've got some illness. So healing means having internal medicines. We are referring to a doctor. But actually, doctor is there definitely. When you're actually ill, it definitely cures you. But when you're wearing something and that is also healing you from within, doesn't it sound interesting?
Very much.
So that is the fact. It's something, the healing which is so connected to your body, mind and soul. Your mind, your spirit, which is accepting what you are wearing externally. So it
Okay.
can be, if I talk about the natural materials,
Mhm.
outfits that we wear, when
Mm.
it soothes your skin, don't you feel comfortable?
Mhm.
Don't you feel a lot of relaxation in your mind? It's so much comfortable, isn't it?
Very
So
much.
that is the thing, when your skin accepts something. So that is where the healing's first step begins.
Okay.
So your happiness that you are having from within, and the healing is happening, it is not, it's a 2 mg power or electrical units if you take, it's not that. It is absolutely your mental and physical feelings and understanding of the fact that every ethical products has a sustainability, so that accepts you, and it acts to your body, it makes you feel comfortable. So anything that is comfortable, definitely you feel so relaxed that whatever work you are doing, isn't it, we are in a day-to-day work. So this healing process does not happen for a period of time. It is happening, it's a continued process. So your day-to-day work, your professional environment, when you are going out to any invitations,
Yes.
so that is happening, and that is a relaxation of mind. It's a psychological concept,
Very much.
which many people don't try to put any interest in it. They don't want to understand the fact, but it does definitely.
Okay. I understand the way you have narrated the healing in relation with fashion. Yes, it does. It did not even strike us that this also plays a very, very important role in our lives. That means there is definitely a therapeutic view of fashion. So, Sudipta, if you can just narrate us and brief it also at the same time. What exactly is a therapeutic view of fashion?
Therapeutic view of fashion is another wing of this total concept.
Okay.
So, what is therapeutic? What is therapy? If I come to the word, much preferred word is therapy.
Mhm.
Therapy is, we say when we go to the doctor, we are going for some treatment. We are going for some therapy because we have got some illness.
Absolutely.
So, here therapy deals with your emotion. Doesn't it sound interesting?
It is. It is.
Emotion, when some emotion is a part of your life which is at times hidden, at times it is outright on anyone's face. So that type of treatment is also happening, definitely, because when we are going out, we are going to many social gatherings and many places, we the colors we wear now, again, whenever we are talking about therapy, the color sets in here.
Very much. It has to.
The typical colors that comes to our mind, we think. So colors, as you know, the bright colors, this is known by everyone. The bright colors that we wear, it gives you a, it peps up your mood, you find so interesting, your motivation increases.
Yeah, it does, because once we see the red color, it suddenly gives us a boost. Yes, a push of something comes in.
Yeah.
Here the emotion sets in.
Yes.
That is what you want to say.
Yes. The spark, So we say that preferably wear white colors, bright colors that makes you feel good. Your mood swings. So when your mood goes high, your emotional, your mental, everything goes at a high spirit. And the total, the styling can be in a creative and a very interesting way. So not only that we stress on the colors that we wear, we also stress on the other factors. That how you are happy from within, that correlates with your mood swing and everything. Because professionally, we face lot of situations in your work environment. So at times maybe we face humiliation, we face a lot of encouragement, we do, right? So no one puts their mind into understanding the fact that what color I'm wearing today, that it has resulted in a situation like this now.
That means it plays a very important role.
Yeah. It's a therapy.
The particular color, suppose I'm wearing it right now.
Yes. It's a very peaceful color. It's a color that shows your inner spirit, your inner self. So white soothes you. It gives you a lot of peace of mind. So when you wear white and you go out for work, white is a very preferred color. It's a color I think everyone should wear. These days, people go for bright colors. Just now I was telling you, bright colors, it hypes up your energy and your mood. But white is a color of peace and happiness. It is very prospering color. And with some people, it goes with, it brings them a lot of luxury, White is so much accepted. You will see many people these days, some people in their specific profession, they always wear white. I know many clients I deal with, they only wear white. They
Maybe
don't want
some
any
relation they have with the some sort of guidance coming to the astrological part, or maybe some therapeutic use, or maybe that may be a relation, because I feel it creates the aura balance, and whatever I know with my knowledge, it does create the balance, and it reflects your soul, our inner spirit, the soul which we say.
So that is it, the color that you accept. And see, I'm not forcing you to wear something. When you're accepting something, you're mentally, you're going with it. We say that someone's name is, say, whatever is someone's name. So accepting that this is my name is another thing. We call by that name. That person is hearing. So all the things are relating.
We are relating to it.
Yes. So accepting from inside to what color you're wearing, and when you're happy wearing this color, whatever you wear. So that is why we say it's a therapy, color therapy we say. So color therapy heals many illness. It's to your surprise. Many things. There are many professionals who guide people to wear specific colors only, because maybe some illness a person is suffering. It helps to cure. I'm not saying that you need not go to a doctor if you're doing a color therapy. It's not that. It is something aside, it works, something spiritual, something divine, a blessing.
I feel it's a totality.
Yeah,
It
absolutely.
completes the entire thing. Whatever we
Absolutely.
do it physically,
Mhm.
means whatever narration I'm getting from your end,
Yes.
it completes the system because it is connected with the aura.
Yes, it is a very narrative concept, to understand it.
But
Because
isn't it a very deep one? Because how many people understands this? People go and purchase a particular color. We go for colors, most of the people.
yeah, definitely.
Definitely they love it and that's why they are buying it.
Yes.
So fabric and fashion,
Mhm,
obviously.
mhm.
Fashion is a very terminology people loves to talk about.
Right.
And the most happening all around for years it has been in the,
Mhm.
prevailing as a trendsetter in the market.
Yes, yes.
So, and healing, the term which is coming across with fashion, I think how many people will be able to relate with it, that is important.
Believe me, in days to come, you will find people, they are accepting the fact that it is a therapy. It's my therapy. So they are wearing. You will see in days to come.
I am
Things are
seeing, that's
changing.
why, since I've got the views from you,
Yes, yes.
that's why I told just a bit of brief things are needed.
Yeah,
Just to, lighten up the knowledge.
yeah,
That means fashion has a great impact on environment as well.
yeah. Very true.
So how do you connect with that?
Yes, this is so interesting. Fashion and environment, fashion and therapy, fashion and healing. Today's topic is so interesting, right? Something really uplifting. I'll tell you something to do with the environment, which many people are not aware. We don't think we go to a shopping mall. Whatever things we like, we purchase. We often try those outfits in the trial room. There's a chemical that is being used in the garments. It's called formaldehyde. It's a
Okay.
spray that is used while
Mhm.
transportation
Mhm.
to spray on the garments so
Okay.
that they don't get wrinkled.
Okay.
What happens is, see, obviously, when those things are there, they don't put so much heat into it. They don't understand so much in detail. What happens when we are purchasing it, we are wearing it, it reacts to our skin. And especially with people who are very allergic, it can lead to many skin diseases. We don't understand this. We go to any store, we try up anything. May it be anything. I'm not specifically telling you about a specific garment. So those things are, it creates a hazard.
Whereas there is no option, we have to get fabrics and things from the market.
Yes. We don't understand. We see, but when we eat something, we buy a product. How many people read the ingredients before eating? We don't.
True.
Many people, but now some segment of people, they become very cautious and they are very particular. I want to know the ingredients. I want to know the expiry, whatever it is. So that is how it goes about. So these things factors should be taken into account because we should go for more natural fibers that soothes our skin and comfort. They don't create any illness and diseases. It will not happen to you immediately. If you think I'll have some itching and all that, no, it will happen with a prolonged period of time.
Again, this is also a very important thing. Means environment impact is also there.
Yeah.
Means it's such a vast thing to discuss. I
Many
feel
things.
fashion in relation means it was very astonishing, very surprising for me as well. When I was going through the healing, how come fashion relate with healing?
Yes.
And then we have the environmental part also.
Yeah. Many things are taken. Natural fibers, that is why they're setting in more. There is a segment of people who are very fond of wearing natural things. They want cotton. They don't want those polyester blends because cotton gets very expensive because the weaving part that comes in the pure cotton things, they are expensive.
But if you'll temporary expense and going for a long term illness,
yes,
people won't be able to relate fabric with illness.
no one thinks
This is maybe a very
Yes.
mere contribution to the human health.
yes.
But I feel that is going to add up also.
Yeah.
It may speed up the process as well of illness
Yes.
also.
During a situation of COVID, we used to wear masks, right?
Yes.
But we never thought the material it is made up of. The best preferred is cotton because it's a breathable fabric. How many of us we thought we wore so expensive masks, it is suffocating us. but still we are going on with it. We are taking those
Because the
things.
mental thing has been
Yes.
programmed
Yeah.
that this is what we need to do.
Right, right. Very true.
That means again, fashion is connected with health.
Yeah.
So we have the different levels of fashion health as well.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. Fashion, when we are talking about health, as I have already told you some of the factors, here, the mental, physical, and your emotional well being. These three factors, I believe, play a very correlating thing. So, if I come into a little detail of it, so the current state of fashion, if you see, it's in a flux. It's in a change, continuous change.
Continuously changing.
You cannot say what is in today will be out in how many years and how many days. So, fashion for our body, our mind, and our soul, that is comfortable and convenient and easy for us. We always try to think of that. But here is a factor which we have to understand is how it is affecting us mentally. We are not able to understand so much, but when we are realizing it, maybe at the fag end of our life, we are trying to understand maybe what things I used to use, what things I used to wear, maybe that was not for my skin, that was not healthy for me. So gradually I believe that change is coming, where that identity fashion, and we are trying to revamp the wardrobe now. That is what I usually suggest. I had been guiding into so many people, making them understand the fact that go for natural and pure fabrics. That is absolutely good for your skin and health. You don't have any pros and cons to think about. So your physical well-being, your emotional, your sentiments, all are so well connected to it. So it gives you a different vibration, when you are in a state of divine feeling. You always wear cotton fabrics.
Yeah, people does.
See, I'm not here to promote cotton, but I'm talking here about the healthy thing that is good for your skin. And that solves all your problem of your mental, physical, body, mind, soul, whatever you talk about. Your healing, your therapy, all sets in to a
And
fabric.
whatever color we prefer to wear.
Yes, yes.
What is
yes.
comforting us mentally.
Right,
That is what is needed.
right. Very true.
Ultimately, I believe whenever we go out for any occasions, we presume that once we go back home, we wear a night suit and we get comfortable. Ultimately, we
Yes.
thrive for that.
Yes.
We are running for that. So yes, we
Right.
feel so relaxed. We go to sleep. We can only sleep when.
So what
when
is
we're
that?
Relaxed. I think now I can relate to whatever you're saying.
Yes.
This is not a feeling of one person. I have a feeling of each and every individual. If each and everyone is asked, say yes, when I go to sleep with my night dress, there where my relaxation, my peace, my comfort zone, everything comes in.
That is
And
it.
that is the reason you are launching your brand or the name as Advitya.
Right.
So, what is it that why a simplicity is there in your vision?
Advitya is a brand name as it signifies. It's something very unique. And I had been working on this for quite a number of years. And I'm working on my new collection as well. So it's way far ahead, when we had been thinking about many things that is prevailing in the market. I was always in the preferred zone of thinking about my clients' mental and physical health.
That's very interesting.
Because when we set in and design in outfits and garments for any individual, you just cannot go at a blow that, see, these are the pieces I have in my collection. Please, you can pick anything for, I can set in and give them a concept and idea. This will be perfect for you. It's not that. You have to sit with someone and you understand and know a person, the person's mental and physical being, and try to design out something that will be a therapeutic outfit for that person. That's what I'm working for, and I'm really looking forward for many people to accept the fact. And I have got so many clients who come up to me for this idea and concept.
Okay. Thank you, Sudipta. I think you've given a wonderfully explained the healing part and how it relates with fashion. And it will be great if we can again get an opportunity to have a wonderful discussion with you as well.
Thank you so
So
much.
thank you so much for coming to our show. And would thank you, the viewers also. Would request our viewers to subscribe and view their valuable comments. and share if they feel it is valuable for others to know the knowledge of the discussed subjects today. Thank you.